In this video, I'll show you how to make a clean homepage on your browser. You can either do this with any browser that uses the Chrome Web Store. First of all, you want to go to the web store and type hexagonTab. I'll also leave the link in the description. Next, you'll have it downloaded and already set it up for the homepage. This is for the people who want to copy my homepage settings. If you click the bottom right with the color on it, this is for the hexagon drop shadows. Then when you go to themes, you scroll down a bit where it says style and you can copy these settings. This is how the hexagon looks dark blue and clean. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make these pixelated logos and import them here. What you want to do is go to PIXLR E. Once you're here, you go to create new and then press the art grid. Now, you want to search up the logo you want to do. For example, I'll be doing the YouTube logo. You'll want to copy the image and paste it into PIXLR. If the image doesn't have a clear background, you'll have to press W, click on the background and then press delete. If it doesn't clear the background properly, you'll see something on the top called tolerance and adjust it so it clears more. Now that you have cleared the image, you'll then go to filter, press pixelate, then decide on how much you want to pixelate it. I'm going to be putting it at 91. Finally, you want to go to file and save the image. When you save the file, you can then paste it onto Discord and copy the link. Once you copy the link, you will then go to your homepage, press the plus sign on your bottom left, click on image, paste the link and turn off the show name. Lastly, you then go to layout and change the visual size to however much you like. If you guys have any recommendations, leave it in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more.